Good news for small savers. The government has revised the small savings rate for the next 3 months upward for most schemes. Ruchi Bhatia, my colleague, joins in with more details. Ruchi, tell us what is the new small savings rate that the government is willing to offer?
Definitely good news coming in for small savers, Aisha. The government has revised the small savings rate by about 20 to 40 basis points. 40 basis points mostly coming in for long-term schemes, and about 20 basis point upward revision coming in for small schemes. In fact, it is important to note that this revision has come in after a very long time. The government, in about two quarters back, had in fact gone ahead with a revision in the small savings rate, and in the last quarter they had kept it at the same level. So an upward revision coming in this time around, which is of course in line with the rise in deposit rates that we've seen, the kind of interest rate trajectory that is moving upwards. And also remember, these small savings are linked with the GSEC, so the rise in GSEC would also mean that the small savings rate would obviously see some sort of an increase. Remember, this is an announcement that usually comes towards the end of the month, but this time around we've seen that the government has gone ahead and announced the small savings rate for the next 3 quarters in before this month even got over, and that's mostly on account of the government trying to provide some sort of a relief to the common man, some sort of a positive news flow that they want to give to the common man. And definitely good news coming in for a lot of small savers. If you look at the interest rates, almost about over 8% interest rate that the government plans to give for PPF investors, for investors that are putting their money in the National Savings Certificate, as well as the Sukanya Samriddhi scheme, where investors will get close to 8.5%. So of course good news coming in for small savers, and the government trying to give a huge shot in the arm and trying to aid the people that put their money in small savings.
Oh yeah, absolutely, and much the need of the hour, though it's interesting that the government has done it only for the next 3 months. Is that a hint that the government has visibility on the rupee weakness? But Ruchi, I believe that there is a different rate for senior citizens. They get a higher benefit.
Absolutely. So if let me just tell you the release. Okay, so the 5-year senior citizen scheme earlier gave interest rates which was quarterly and paid at about 8.3% to senior citizens, which has now been revised upwards to 8.7%. So as I was telling you, this is a 40-point revision that has been done on the upward side, and this obviously will be coming in as good news for senior citizens as well. So good news coming in for them. The only the only one category of deposits, which is saving deposits, will continue to see a lower interest rate of 4%. But on the whole, if you see from all 5-year schemes, the government has increased the interest rates upward by about 40 basis points, and small 1-year deposit schemes will see about 20 basis point revision.
Okay, Ruchi, much needed relief coming in for short-term savers. Thanks for joining in with all those details.